Assalamu alaikum. Today we will talk our robot can destroy humans. On 11th November 2021, Tesla's factory in Gaga, Texas, which is the second largest building in the world, there was an incident about which the whole world had no idea. Like every day, robots were working in the Gaga, Texas factory with the some factory workers. But suddenly a robot attacked on an engineer. But this incident happened in 2021 and no one knew about it. On 28 December 2023, a report by Daily Mail revealed that shortly before this incident, Tesla had released its robot. It had its Optimum Generation 2, which was running like a human being to a large extent. It was drawing action and dancing as well. Seeing this, many people were shocked. These robots are doing these things a little bit. What happening? Oh, to put it simply, Tesla is growing very fast, but Daily Mail has reported that many times due to these Tesla robots, there were injuries as well. And everywhere, Tesla's AI robots are spreading. Tesla's AI robots are killing each other. Tesla's AI robots are killing each other. There are shooting weapons here and there. They are bleeding. They are dangerous. And everywhere the same photo of AI robot is available. Now how much is true in this and how much is false? Will AI and robots destroy humans? Let's go. Robots going rough in our factory. A Tesla engineer was reportedly attacked by a robot. A robot attacked a Tesla engineer during a brutal malfunction. If I tell you honestly, after listening to this theory, I remembered the robot movie in 2006. I don't know if you know, in 2016, the most popular robots in the world, Sophia, which you must have seen in many videos, was asked the question, "Will you destroy humans?" He said, "Okay, I will destroy humans." And he said, "Okay," and shocked the whole world. But let's talk about Tesla now. On 28 December, Daily Mail posted an article, Tesla robot attacks an engineer. But it is actually story is something else. This robot is basically a Coca robot. This robot is basically a Coca robot arm which looks like this, which is essentially a mechanical arm. It is basically a robot arm used in industrial factories, which was made by Coca robots. And this company has been making industrial robots since 1898. This robot arm is used by maximum big companies. Maximum companies use it automatic to get work done. Any work that is done precisely, in which a person's hand is not accurate, or any heavy work that a person cannot do, like lifting a big piece of metal. So first of all, it is clear that this is not a human type or robot like Tesla's Optimum. This is a mechanical arm, but in the maximum article, you will find Tesla robot written, which is clearly wrong. Elon Musk has also confirmed this. But now let's talk about the injury which was caused by this mechanical arm. What happened? This is not the first time that someone has been injured by a mechanical arm. This has happened before too. The Mary's Room has also covered an article on this, and many articles have written that this is not the only case which happened only in the Tesla factory. There have been such cases before too. due to which, let alone injuries, people have lost their lives. They are just claiming it. In 2015, an engineer died in Volkswagen plant in Germany due to same mechanical arm, and Fortunate has also reported. This is the last 15 years there have been 41 mechanical robot related accident, and this sounds very common. The case that happened in 2021 was something like this. Basically, an engineer was working, then suddenly the robotic arm attacked the engineer from behind, due to which the engineer gets a small injury on his back and left hand. It was not a brutal as it is being said everywhere, that he took it in his custody and beat him up. He did a lot of different things. The engineer was able to free himself from the robot, but a little blood fell on the floor. I found this little weird because this is real story, but you will find issues everywhere. Different photos of robots are put up that these robots are beating people up. AI is taking lives. These robots are dangerous. Let me tell you from his words, Elon Musk says that such injuries happen in every factory, but for this, Tesla's Optimum robot, which is building AI robot, is not at fault. Misguiding is very bad thing, and one thing is Tesla and other companies which use such mechanical robots should take safety. One life is also very precious. Tesla itself said in 2018 in comparison to 2016. Machines related injuries are 25% less. Fear also comes whenever new technologies come. In the 1880 century, when the first car was invented, there were its positive in society and a lot of big negativities too. A lot of people were able to travel for hours in just a minute, but some people were injured in these car accidents too. Like it was reported in 1917, after car came, almost 7100 accidents were seen because of this car, and still accidents are happening with this car. Accidents are happening with bikes. So the simple meaning to tell you that whatever new touch is introduced, it has its positivities, but it also has its negativities. So if I tell you its breakdown, before car came, when people used to ride horses, even horses used to have accident, but not the robot accident. It was the problem of horses, and even before the arrival of horses, when we used to go to jungle alone, the lion used to eat us. Even after the car came, accident used to happen. And according to me, the positive side of touch is always bigger than the negative side. And that is why touch is moving forward and AI is progressing. That is why internet, AI, all these things which have side effects but have wrong things, but they have also many positive things that those negative things are not even visible. Thank you for watching the video.